Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have a request reaction. Um, ilang beses tayong nakinig no ng mga videos like ng SB19 and like clips, vlogs, shows, performance, and there are some rare cases na we're gonna hear Stel do a freestyle or like an impromptu na kanta na it always bangs, man. It always bangs. But today, we have a request reaction. Now, this is a request from one of our viewers. Na-request na mag-react tayo sa impromptu song ni Stel na ang title nun is Crush and Puyat. You know what? I'm just excited. every freestyle, every impromptu na kanta ni Stel always bangs, no? Like they can actually make it as a song. But I don't know why, especially in Tagaytay. Tagaytay is actually, I feel like it's gonna bang, you know? If they actually gonna officially release that song, you know, they actually make or write a proper lyrics to it, I feel like it's gonna bang, man. It's gonna bang. But yeah, well, we're gonna listen to Crush first and then Puyat. But without no further ado, let's get it.
Sulyap sa'yo, nilalapitan ngunit sa isip lamang. Nalilito, kinakabahan ang tulad ko. Paano nga ba nalapitan ang isang tulad mo? Sinubok ko rin lapitan, ngunit hindi ko nais ko lang na makausap, kahit saglit lang sa may hagdan. Nalilito ang aking nararamdaman. Sapagkat iba, pag ika'y nandyan, ika'y hindi ko malapitan. Ngunit pag ika'y wala, hinahanap-hanap ka.
I mean, did he actually like impromptu like write this and then sing it? Because if this is like you know, a top of the dome talaga, like on the moment na kinakanta, I mean, this is a proper song, man.
Hindi lang maamin, natatakot na masaktan, mahal na yata kita.
Oh man,
hindi lang maamin, sapagkat pagkamasaktan lang, mahal na kita. Mahal na kita.
Hey,
mahal na kita, mahal na kita.
come on, man. That's a proper song, man. I don't know about you, man, but I feel like that's not an impromptu, no? We have another one. It's Puyat. I mean, come on, still the crush. He crushed it. He crushed it. He can actually make a song about it, man.
Alam ko na, ganito na lang. Bigay kayo. Ayan, may nag-send. Each day goes round, each day goes round.
Oh, there's actually impromptu. Like,
Wait lang.
sa ano to, no? Sa kwarto to ni Justin, right? This is the same room with Tita Gima, eh. Tita Gima. You see the difference between me and Stel? Like, you can see all of the requests in here. all the requests in here, most probably, pag minatripan siya, is tutugtugin niya, kakantahin niya. Ako naman, pag may nag-request sa akin, I mean, we're gonna watch it. Just gonna watch it. Natin kayang gawin yung kaya niyang gawin.
Each day of mine, each night I cry. Parang hindi. Each night, each night, each day goes by, each night I cry. Hindi, parang mali eh. Ano ba yan?
Thank you po.
Kalimutan ko talaga yung chord, sorry.
Vernon Gia.
Ganito na lang, bigay kayo ng topic, tapos gawa natin ng kanta.
Oh, man. Oh, man. It's actually impromptu, man. What the hell?
Gawa natin ng kanta, dali-dali. Bigay kayo ng topic, tapos try natin gawa ng kanta.
Puyat. Puyat.
Puyat?
Puyat.
Sabi ni Ja, puyat daw. Sige, puyat. Try natin.
Puyat.
Kaya, hanap na tayo ng chord na
Mukhang puyat
maganda.
si, Justin.
Ayan, sige yun. Puyat, sabi ni Justin, puyat. Okay, 1, 2. Puyat. Sige, nag-isip lang ako. Puyat. Nakatingin sa kawalan, nag-iisip kung nasaan. Ninais kong mawala ang iniisip, ngunit bakit tila gising pang-isip?
Oh, man. This is an... man. Hindi ako makapaniwala na ano yung impromptu tong kanta to, no?
Nais nang matulog. Nais nang matulog. Ngunit
Is finding the melody, you know? Maintindihan mo eh. He's trying to find the melody na mag-fit, no?
di pa
Like, on that moment, napakahirap nun.
mahimbing. Ang daming iniisip, at sa susunod, ano ang gagawin? Mukhang puyat na naman, hindi makatulog ang isa dyan. Ginugulo ang aking isipan, aking kapaligiran. Puyat
Oh, man.
naman.
What in... Paano niya nagagawa to? Paano niya nagagawa to?
Puyat na naman.
Oh!
Hindi makatulog ng mahimbing, dahil iniisip ang isang tulad niyang mahimbing. Ano sinabi ko? Mahimbing. Puyat na naman. Ano mo kailangan? LSS na si Jan. Puyat na naman. Hindi makatulog ang isa dyan.
Wow!
Song of the year.
Song of the year.
Para sa mga nagpupuyat.
Please, Crystal. Hello. Hello, Justin.
Okay. Ano bang mga ano?
I don't know ba? I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, man. This guy. Yung sa umpisa na kanta kasi, no? Yung sa umpisa na kanta, I mean, hindi kasi natin napanood yung parang pinaka-intro, no? So, I actually think that maybe sinulat niya ng mabilisan, no? Like, mabilisan lang. Hindi pinag-isipan talaga, mabilisan tapos kinanta niya. But this is definitely just an impromptu song. Damn. Still, now you did it again. Man, pwede ka na maglabas ng album, no? Pwede ka na maglabas ng album or EP doon sa mga impromptu mo na hindi mo pa tinutuloy hanggang ngayon. No? Pwede mo siyang gawing kanta. Mag-iintay kami. But, alright, well, that is our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mag-react sa yung artist, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo din dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Guys, stay awesome. Peace.